When choosing between Zoho Desk and Help Scout for your business, you're probably wondering which one stands out as the best help desk software. Both offer solid features, but the devil is in the details. Let's break down what each platform brings to the table, and I'll share my thoughts on which one is truly the best based on real-world usage. First, let's talk about the user interface. Zoho Desk has a clean and professional look with a dashboard that's customizable but can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. The complexity is something you'll get used to, but it's not the most intuitive, especially for small teams or those new to help desk systems. On the other hand, Help Scout prides itself on simplicity. It's easy to use, with a minimalistic design that allows teams to hit the ground running, which can be a huge advantage if you're looking for something that doesn't require a lot of setup. Next, ticket management. Zoho Desk offers powerful ticket management features, including the ability to automate workflows and escalate tickets. It's fantastic for larger teams who need to handle a high volume of support requests efficiently. However, Help Scout keeps it more straightforward, offering a streamlined ticket system that focuses on conversation threads, which might be more appealing for smaller businesses or those with less complex needs. Both platforms do well in this area, but Zoho Desk gives you more flexibility at the cost of a steeper learning curve. Next thing, let's talk about integrations. Zoho Desk has a huge range of integrations with other Zoho apps and third-party platforms, including Google Workspace, Slack, and more. This can be a huge advantage if you're already embedded in a Zoho ecosystem. Help Scout also integrates well with tools like Slack and HubSpot, but its ecosystem isn't as extensive. However, Help Scout's integrations are very well thought out and often require less setup, which could be beneficial if you want something quick and simple. Now, pricing. Zoho Desk is known for offering a wide range of plans, catering to different business needs. It's fairly affordable, especially when you consider the features it packs into the lower tiers. However, as you move up in price, some features start to feel more like upsells than valuable additions. Help Scout's pricing is more transparent, and although it's a bit pricier than Zoho Desk, you get a lot of value for the cost, especially if you prefer simplicity over the complexity of a feature-heavy platform. The fourth thing we should touch on is customer support. This is where Zoho Desk can really shine for larger businesses. Their customer support is comprehensive and includes live chat, email, and phone support, but it can sometimes take a while to get a response during peak hours. Help Scout, on the other hand, offers stellar customer support that's responsive and has a reputation for quick issue resolution, something small businesses can really appreciate. Next, automation and reporting. Zoho Desk offers advanced reporting features and customizable automation roles, which are fantastic for large teams and companies with specific needs. It allows you to track performance, productivity, and customer satisfaction in detail. Help Scout's reporting features are much more basic. While it offers some insightful metrics, it doesn't have the deep customization that Zoho Desk provides. Both Zoho Desk and Help Scout offer robust help desk solutions, but if I had to choose the best fit, it comes down to one thing: simplicity versus complexity. If you're a smaller team or looking for something that you can use with minimal effort, Help Scout is the way to go. But if you're running a larger operation and need deeper integrations, advanced automation, and customizable reporting, Zoho Desk could be your best bet. That being said, none of these tools may be the perfect fit for your business. After trying both Zoho Desk and Help Scout myself, I found that there's actually a better alternative for achieving the goals mentioned in this video. If you want to take your help desk to the next level, I recommend trying out the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial, along with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out.